your first time tuning in, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. For all my return subscribers, thank you guys so much. Y'all just do not understand how much I appreciate the love and the support that y'all give me. We are almost at 40K, so don't forget to please share the videos, like the videos, comment on the videos, etc. And again, I appreciate all of the support. Okay, y'all, so today's video is going to be about protective styling with wigs. Now, if you've been a subscriber for a while, you already know that a while back, I can't remember, it was either like maybe 7 to 10 months ago, I posted a protective styling for hair growth video. And I think it has like over 200,000 views. Well, within that video, I talked about all different types of protective styles, or styles that I consider protective styles. Now, if you've been with me as of late, you already know some of the things that I mentioned about my hair, having setbacks, this, that, and the other. So I have been protective styling the majority of the time the last few months. So it seems like y'all really enjoyed the last couple of videos I did on my go-to protective style, the natural hair setbacks, and it was another one, I think the one with the Blue Magic hair grease. So today I wanted to talk about another go-to protective style that I currently use. So despite what, you know, people may think or whatever, I do wear wigs. I don't wear wigs often though, okay? Like I said, my favorite protective style is the style, the video that I posted a month or so ago, where I usually wear my hair in twist and just pull it back in a bun or like in a ponytail. So that's my go-to protective style. But the other one that I utilize, like I said, is wigs. So today I'm going to discuss with y'all some of the wigs that I have and what they do for me, how I feel about them, etc. As always, please leave a comment below. Y'all know I like to read the comments. I want us to share information and all that good stuff. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I put all of this hair underneath the wig. Okay, so let's talk about wigs that I have. So currently I have half wigs and I have full wigs. So I'll just talk about the full wigs first. Okay, so the full wig that I use most often is this wig. Let me show it to you. Hopefully y'all can see that. If you can't see it, then it's called a bump wig and it's in the color 1B. So let me say this. I didn't get this wig from like a company for free or anything like that. I actually purchased the wig myself, and I purchased it a while ago. I only paid $30 for the wig, so I don't have a link to the website that I bought it from because I don't remember. But like I said, it's called a bump wig and the color is 1B. So I'll leave the information below in the description box, and if y'all are interested, y'all can just Google it and you know, you can find it like that. Okay, so this wig is a short wig. Now the reason why I chose a short wig is because obviously I have a lot of hair, and sometimes you just want to switch it up. So instead of me cutting my hair, I said, you know what, I could just get a short wig, and plus it won't be as long and hot, because I'm one of those people, I don't really like stuff on top of my head like that. So the picture from the thumbnail, that is this particular wig. Now if you're looking at it like this, of course it looks like a granny wig, but once you actually put the wig on, then it's cute. And like I said, I'll show y'all the picture. I'll insert a picture of me in the wig on. But anyways, this wig only has one clip in it, I think. Yes. So it only has one clip in the back of the wig, and that's it. And what I've learned that works for me is I prefer a wig that has some type of hair in the front. That way I can just put the entire wig on and I don't have to wear any of my hair out. So like anything else, if you feel like this one clip is not secure enough for you, you know, you can always buy wig clips at the beauty supply for $2 or $3, and you can just sew them on the side so you have more support. But yeah, so I prefer a full wig. And what I do is the majority of the time when I'm wearing a wig, my hair is twisted and I have my twist pinned down, and then I put my wig on. I'm not one of those people that wants a wig or anything sewn to their head, because I don't like stuff on my hair. And as I've said before in previous videos, to me a protective style is a style that protects your hair, and I also think you should have access to your hair whenever you want it. So I can put this wig on in the morning and go to work, and when I get off from work I can take it off. If I need to re-moisturize, hydrate my twist, whatever it is I want to do, I have access to my hair. So for me, a full wig is a great protective style in order to protect your hair. And also sometimes when you have natural hair, your hair goes through different phases. And you know, like you go through that little phase where you have the little small twist, or sometimes your hair can even get into twists. I have a lot of people leaving me comments saying, oh, my hair isn't long enough, like I can't, you know, my hair isn't long enough to pull back in a ponytail or a bun. You know, I can't wait till I get the length, this, that, and the other. Or do you recommend anything if you have really short hair, like different styles? And like I said, you have that in-between stage where you just, I mean, honestly, you just look awkward. It is what it is. And that's when you can twist your hair, braid your hair, whatever you want to do, and throw you a wig on and keep it moving. You can still oil your scalp, grease your scalp, whatever you want to do. Like I said, you have access to your hair. That is very important to me. So this is my go-to wig, this bump wig, full wig. Okay, so the other types of wigs that I have are half wigs. Now, I don't have a half wig with me because the half wig that I had, I bought around the same time I bought this full wig. And it's fuller and it's longer. So when you buy a fuller, longer wig, if you're not getting, you know, natural hair and paying a lot of money for it, then of course they don't last as long. So I threw it away probably about 2 months ago. But I will insert a picture of me with the wig on. And I also wore the wig in my Christmas haul video. I call it my Beyonce wig because it has blonde in it. But yeah, so that's a half wig. So the thing with half wigs are fine. Half wigs are versatile as well because you can take half wigs off at the end of the day. The only thing with the half wigs that I guess I don't like, or it's my second option instead of my first option, is with half wigs you have to leave some hair out in the front. Now let me say this. When I wear my half wig, I have a very small peanut head. And yes, I have big hair, but I have a very small head. So when I wear my half wig, I wear my half wig as a full wig. But you can still, I mean, if you're looking really close, you can tell because I have it like clipped in, like maybe here, that it's a wig. But I don't really care because I can just kind of bring some of the hair down over my face, excuse me, or wear like a headband or something like that. But the purpose of the half wig is to make your hair look more natural. And what I mean by that is, say you stick your half wig in halfway, like you make a part and you stick the half wig in the back. Well, if you're going to do a twist out, braid out, whatever it is you're going to do, or just a wash and go, then just the front part of your hair will be your leave out. And so it looks more natural because it will all blend. So I feel like as far as blendability and looking more natural, a half wig. But for me, when I'm protective styling, if I'm going to protective style with the wig, I want all of my hair covered. So that's why I say I prefer a full wig over a half wig. But it's totally up to you and what you want to do and what you feel comfortable with. As far as price, the half wigs that I think I have 2 half wigs. But the other one, I don't really think I like the way it looks. But I only paid like 30 or 40 bucks for those 2. So I'm not one of those people that's going to spend like top dollar for a wig. I'm not saying you shouldn't, but I just feel like I've been having this wig for, I don't know how long. I've been having this wig for a long time. And like I said, I keep this wig in the net. I keep the little picture in there so I know what it looks like. And I keep it wrapped up. So, I mean, even if I only had it for a year, I only paid $30 for it. So, it's not a big deal. So, I feel like the fact that I had it over a year and I paid $30 for it, then I'm winning. So, that's how I feel about full wigs and half wigs. Now, let me say this. As I was speaking about before, I have a wig that I call my Beyonce wig because it's really big and it has blonde in it. Now, wigs are protective styles, but with anything you have to be careful. And what I mean by that is, if you prefer bigger, fuller, longer wigs, make sure that the wig isn't so heavy that it's pulling your edges on the side. Some wigs come with clips in the front and the back, or just the back, or you know, on the side. It just all depends on what type of wig it is. So if you get a longer, fuller wig that's a little heavier and it does have the clips on the side, just make sure that it's not going to pull your edges out, because a protective style is supposed to protect your hair underneath and also your edges. So you want to get in a situation where you're wearing a wig and you say, okay, well, I'm keeping my hair healthy, I'm protective styling, but the wig is so heavy and full that it's taking out your edges. Okay, so let's just be mindful of that. I just wanted to throw that out there. So be careful of the wigs that you decide to wear on a regular basis. Now, let's talk about wigs that I don't recommend and that I don't wear for protective styling. And that would be lace front wigs. Now, I know some people love lace fronts. I personally think lace front wigs are gorgeous. Once you lay the little baby hairs down and get everything right and tight, I think they look really, really good. I watch videos of people making wigs and all of that, but at the end of the day, I will not be wearing a lace front wig. I know some people protective style with lace front wigs because, again, they say, oh, I'm protecting my hair. I just feel like, for me, gluing something on my head will never be a protective style, in my opinion. There is nothing in this world that anyone can tell me that is going to make me think differently. Call me stubborn, call me whatever. That's just my opinion, and I'm entitled to my own opinion. I know that they say there are really great adhesive removers that you can put on your hair, and different types of conditioners you can put around your edges that you leave on, and then your lace front will just come right off. I get that, but y'all, if you're gluing something on your hair, I don't care what it is, over time it is going to eventually start taking your edges out. That's just how I feel. The fact that you have to use an adhesive to even lay it down, no ma'am, I'm not here for that. Again, some people may leave comments and say, hey, I've been wearing lace fronts for X amount of years, X amount of months. I haven't had any problems with it. I love it. I'm going to stick with it. Fine. Do you, boo. I appreciate, the comment and sharing and all that, but I just don't feel like it is a protective style that I would want to utilize at this point in my hair journey. Just even the thought, it's just like, oh my God. And I'm tender-headed too. No, ma'am. I will not. I will not be doing that, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to insert the clip of me showing you guys how I put my wig on. So stay tuned for that, and I'll be right back. Enjoyed this video, this discussion about wigs and protective styling. I will link my protective styling video, all my protective styling videos down below. If you have any questions, concerns, please leave a comment. Don't forget to share the video, like the video. Again, I appreciate all the love and support that y'all give me, and until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.